So check it out. Here's a new purchase that I just got from eBay. I got it for under 50 bucks, which I thought was a great deal because I've wanted an engine like this for a while. I've wanted one ever since I was a kid when I saw them in the 75, 76 catalog. It's a Lionel Hudson. It comes with a sound of steam and whistle. The shell isn't the proper one. It's one I wanted it to add to it. It was a New York Central shell from the New York Central Flyer. And I just had to do a little bit of touch-up to it. I had to touch up the top and also the pilot. And so I used some, I think it's pronounced Tamaya, flat black, and then I used a coat of micro satin over it to get it the right shine. And there's a couple other places I touched up that blends right in nicely. So it looks as good as it did back in the 70s, and hopefully I've got it running as good as it did. I had to do some lubrication and loosen up the gears, as well as I had to put a new traction tire on it. When I took it for a test spin, that was the first thing to fly off, and of course they get worn out. And here's something else that I was able to add. Some friends of mine, some good friends, made this little log cabin, and they added the stonework around it and painted it. It was really cute. And so they gave that to me. So I added a string of lights, and also I added a couple of outside lights there for it, just to kind of dress it up a little bit. So we're going to take it for a spin. You can check it out. It doesn't have the best smoke unit in the world, but usually the MPCs didn't. So here we go. Got quite a string of Marx cars behind it. The box car has a Lionel coupler on the front of it. All right, what a behemoth. It's smoking pretty good actually right now. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.